ओके, सो देयर वी हैव इट। मतलब ये जो सेगमेंट है मैं इसका हमेशा वेट करता हूं राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, दैट कब हम पहुंचेंगे टुवर्ड्स आस्क टीजी और कब मुझे मौका मिलेगा आपके क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देने के लिए। एंड गाइस, द टाइम इज नाउ। लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव दिस वीक इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन दिस सेगमेंट आस्क टीजी। Okay, I'll be very upfront. You know, the way AI is improving in terms of generative AI, जैसे designs AI बना सकता है, AI can get you new logos or new animations, new videos and everything. It is possible that jobs are going, and especially in the creative field, काफी jobs जा रही हैं. So what I would recommend you is get yourself this expertise on AI. अगर आप AI को यूज करना सीख जाते हैं, there is nothing like it. If you can make sure कि आप AI को अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हैं for your own good, in your own benefits, तो आपकी जॉब नहीं जाने वाली है. In fact, you will be in even more demand because everyone knows that AI exists, but only a select few know how to use AI for better. तो आप अगर AI को यूज करना सीख जाते हैं एंड यू कैन एम्प्लॉय AI टू डू इवन बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर डोमेन, आपकी जॉब उल्टा ज्यादा डिमांड में होने वाली है. What do you think, guys? If you know the answer, drop me an email. You know the address. It's tg@ndtv.com. अगर आपको पहले से पता है तो you can drop in the email, but anyhow I will give you this explanation. Now the way FM works, or for that matter any radio communication is working, there's one transmitter and there's one receiver. In the case of FM, transmitter जो है वो आपका station है जो transmit कर रहा है this information over a certain frequency. Now for you to receive that, you need to have that antenna for receiving that frequency. Now in smartphones, for example, for 3G, 4G, 5G, we have inbuilt antennas. But for FM, the earpiece serves as an antenna. So it acts as an antenna for you to receive those frequencies. कुछ phones होते हैं wherein you have inbuilt wireless FM without any earphones. In those cases, the antenna is built inside the phone. But usually, like the way it is, आपको extra एक earphone लगाना पड़ता है so that you have that antenna and you can catch on to those FM frequencies. Long answer, no. Short answer, no. मतलब in both the cases, I'll tell you, this is a complete myth. Doesn't matter कि आप अपना फोन अपनी कार में चार्ज कर रहे हैं, you are charging it from a power bank, you are charging it on inverter. मतलब you know, we at times hear these different things कि अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, it's not good for the battery. This is no. As long as the power that's coming to you, if you have a charger, let's say, as long as that charger is from a good brand, it's giving you a constant output जो rated है उसके ऊपर, your phone's battery is absolutely safe. Does not matter कि आप कहाँ से अपने फोन को चार्ज कर रहे हैं. आप अगर कार में भी अपने फोन को चार्ज कर रहे हैं, it's completely fine. हाँ, just to give you a piece of advice, because normally if you are in a car, chances are that you are using your phone for navigation. And let's say अगर आपने कार में सामने डैश पे फोन को रखा है या you know the phone is attached to the windshield, because of the light coming in, because of the heat, आपका फोन गर्म हो सकता है because it's doing a lot at the same time as well. तो हो सकता है कि आपकी बैटरी हेल्थ पे फर्क पड़े in the longer run, but that's not because of you charging your phone inside the car. It's because of the temperatures कि आप फोन को जब यूज कर रहे हैं, phones getting warm for longer durations of time, and वहां से नुकसान हो सकता है, but otherwise it's completely safe.